Right, the Indian markets couldn't hold the upward trajectory of the past 3 weeks. This week there has been significant sell-off in the global markets on account of a serious correction on the FANG stocks. Nasdaq has gone into a bearish trajectory and this has had its impact on various markets globally, and so has it been in India. Indian markets, after breaching the resistance of 10,750 on the upside, moved up to 10,774, whereas it couldn't hold the trajectory on the upside from there and started correcting. It broke the support of 10,550 and even went down to about 10,512, while closing this week for about 10,526, a downside of about 0.85% for the Indian markets. In a volatile session for the week, the indices that have done well has been media, that has moved up for about 1.88%, and realty, which has moved up by about 2.14%, while the indices that didn't do well has been IT, which are down for about 3.61%, and metals that have been down for about 5.67%. On the technicals, so there has been a strong bearish candlestick pattern on the weekly charts for Nifty, and there has also been a small bearish candlestick pattern on the daily charts as well. So there is a reasonable negative divergence on both the daily and weekly charts. The weekly RSI also has gone down to about 44 levels, while the MACD is trading below the signal line. So having all these indicators, the overall markets look pretty volatile for the coming week as well. Also, there is F&O expiry for the coming week, and we do expect decent amount of volatility in a price band of about 150 to 200 odd levels, to 150 to 200 odd levels for the Nifty for the coming week ahead of the expiry. The upside resistance is capped at about 10,680 to 10,720 odd levels, whereas the downside the support is at 1040, and if that is breached, then there will be significant correction in Indian markets in the coming few weeks, especially on account of the election results that are expected for the states in the month of December. So we would request you to stay stock specific and trade cautiously for the Indian markets in the coming few weeks. With regards to stocks, our buy recommendation on Kajaria Ceramic, we have a target price of about 473 and a stop loss of about 426. The stock has taken a significant support at 325 odd levels and is moving upwards. The RSI on the weekly charts is about 70 odd levels. So we have a 5% upside for the stock for the coming week. In terms of the other buy recommendation, we have a buy on Adani Ports. We have a target price of about 383 odd levels and a stop loss at 351 odd levels. Again, this has been a stock for significant correction over the past few weeks, but has seen support at around 300 levels and moving strongly upwards with the weekly RSI at 68 levels. And it has also breached the 200-day moving average on the upside. So we have a 4% upside for the stock for the coming week. In terms of the sell recommendations, Shriram Transport Finance is a sell recommendation with a target price of 1120 with a stop loss of about 1201 levels, signaling a gain of about 3%. Thank you.